Hi guys, content creator Taneasha here, and today we're going to be showing you this doll, and it's just like by Mattel and everything. So it's just a doll. What's her name?
Let's have a look. I think you have to name her. You do. You're going to have to think of a name.
Okay. So anyway, let's get her out of the box. Oh, I think her hair's pretty messed up in the box. I think her hair's pretty messed up.
What do you think we're going to have to do about that?
I don't know, wash her hair or something.
Maybe.
Like, it's pretty messed up.
Oh, I'm surprised she's got long hair. I thought maybe her hair was a bit shorter, but
I think
it is a bit messed up, isn't it? I reckon we're going to need to trim a little bit. There's like a long bit there, isn't there? Or was I imagining?
trim it. I think we're gonna have to trim it.
That's a long, that hair's out of place.
It is. I think her hair that place, guys, is so bizarre. It's really out of place, and it just don't look beautiful as it is. Barbie doesn't look beautiful as they are, but this one, I think it doesn't. She has pretty long hair. She's so beautiful.
What colour's her hair?
Brown, like mine.
What colour are her eyes?
Her eyes are brown as well.
What colour lips does she have?
Her lips are pink.
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 Yes. And what's she wearing?
She's wearing a beautiful, beautiful dress. I mean, if you look at the side of it,
It's a short one, isn't
it's
it?
a short dress. So, I think we need to wash this hair. I think it doesn't look good at all. It looks pretty messed up. I need to go and wash her or something. I think we need to go in the bathroom to do it. So, to be continued for this video, guys. Bye. Hi guys, content creator Taneasha here. I haven't been making doll hair washing videos for a while, so this might be a good video to start. So, as you can see, her hair is a little bit messy at the moment. When she first came out of the box, and it's like, look at the fringe, it's so messy. We're gonna wash it. Okay, the first we're gonna start off buying. We got the shampoo, we got hair conditioner, we got the tangler, and we got the brush, and the scissors, and the hair dryer. So anyway, let's get started. First, we're gonna take her dress off. Alright, let's do shampoo, guys.
So turn the water off. Alright, get the shampoo. Now, do you want it in your hand or in the Barbie's hair?
I'll do in the Barbie's hair.
Alright, there you go. And get all of her hair. That's it. That's very good. Keep scrubbing. the shampoo, it's the one next to it, which is the
hair shampoo.
hair conditioner.
Hair conditioner, sorry guys.
We just used the shampoo. And
We use the hair conditioner, let's use it guys.
Right,
I'll be using it on Barbie's hair.
Now what's next?
The detangler.
That's good, yeah. You want to do some hair brushing?
I think we got a smooth.
Yeah.
Alright, it's done.
Right, okay.
We're gonna turn around this way.
And just hold her over the basin a little bit more. Yep.
We're gonna trim it.
Yeah, and trim that long piece of hair.
You can't stay like that.
No. See that long piece of hair?
Yeah.
Now what's next?
Hair dryer.
Now you might need to brush it now. What sort of hairstyle do you want her to have?
Up here.
Okay, I'll go get a hair tie, you keep brushing.
Up here, just like my,
Like a plait?
no, like a
Ponytail?
ponytail, yeah.
Sure. Yeah, what else do we need to do?
And now we can put the clothes back on.
Yeah. Let's do that. Can you move her arms up?
She looks beautiful. Let's try the shoes. If they come off. Maybe we can try them Barbie shoes.
Yeah.
Where's the purple Barbie shoes that I had for her?
The purple ones.
Yeah.
Oh, have a look.
Sorry, Barbie, we're gonna have to try you a different pair. I was thinking we should put it with my other dolls. With my other Barbie dolls, and I thought,
Yeah.
look perfect.
Oh. See, because they needed the ankle support, didn't they?
They didn't go so well in the pink shoes.
No.
They're not good because the creators won't do them.
Well, they didn't put an ankle strap on the shoes, did they?
It's very disappointing. Anyway, guys, she's got new shoes now. Anyway, I think we're gonna have to try them for now until we go to find new shoes for her. Something much bigger, those ones. Anyway, let's try those for now. Anyway, I hope you like my doll hair washing video, cause if you like this video, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Well, if you like my doll hair video, I made a bit more trim, something better to do with her hair, so it won't be as long. But anyway, thank you all for watching and we'll see you next time. Any comment down below if you want me to do more doll hair videos, doll hair washing videos in the future. Leave a comment down below. Anyway, thank you all for watching and we'll see you next time. This is content creator Taneasha saying goodbye everybody, Paw Patrol's and the Royal content creator Taneasha. Bye guys. I would like to give a shout out to Peter who makes me look beautiful for my YouTube channel. Jen, Liz, Bridie, Amy, Molly, Sharon, Martin, Freddie, Diana, Tanya, Rhiannon. I would like to give a shout out to Rhiannon. I would like to give a shout out to Megan and Maddie. Bye. Give a shout out to all new Paw Patrol new designs. And the last but not least, who takes care of me, my dad and everyone. You make my day. Thank you. And thank you for watching my videos. I would like to give a shout out to my fans as well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I would like to give a shout out to the Paw Patrol. Alright guys, thank you all for watching and we'll see you next time. This is content creator Taneasha saying goodbye everybody, Paw Patrol's on the roll.